Hey YouTube friends, we're going to show you how to install a 12 by 7 residential door.
Estas son los roques y los tornillos.
As you can see, here are the cables, these are the hinges, the oak and the screws.
Para abrir la ventana. Estas son las bisagras, las número 1 que van al centro.
This is the handle for opening and closing. These are the number 1 hinges in the middle.
La número 3. Y estos son los roles.
The cable, the drone where the cable goes, number 2, number 3, number 1, and these are the oaks. This is what we call the bracket where the roll is attached to the part. Top section up top, the bracket is called the bearing. And this is the installation. If you like this video about the garage door parts, subscribe to our channel. For more instructions, if you have any questions, we can answer. If you need to install any roll, any spring, on small things that we can help with, don't hesitate to call, subscribe to our channel, and like our YouTube page.